Well, I end up replacing four of these cups. Now I'm tying it up to hold it in place. This will be nice and sturdy. Alright, let's turn on the water. Okay. As you can see, it's filling up halfway already. Once it's full, then we'll close it off with the black cover over there. Okay, water's flowing through. Okay, I need to adjust the flow on here. It's overflowing. There we go. Adjust this one. A little more. There we go. Let's see here. Okay, it's not in place yet. There we go. Alright, and after it's in here, I need to zip tie it, cut it off, block it off, okay? Hold on. There you go. Zip tie it off, block off that water flow. There you have it. Got your cups, filled with water. And the way these cups work is, it works on gravity, so it will automatically fill. It has a spring loaded on the underneath here, but where the hoses are at, spring loaded. And then this here, this little knob up here is your flow control. You can control the flow of how much water you want in the cup or how little you want in the cup. This one here, we're not getting much water, so we could open it up to get more flow. Alright, enjoy, guys. Well, if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.